Welcome to the video presentation for the new EcoDome TTD101 digital thermostatic head. These thermostatic heads can be mounted on thermostatic radiator valves, which typically have a central pin or piston. The EcoDome TTD101 thermostatic head has a compact, functional design, is simple and quick to install, and does not require any plumbing work. The only point is to check the presence of a radiator valve. The use of the TTD101 digital thermostatic head allows the setting of a different temperature for each area so as to have the maximum possible comfort while reducing energy waste. Once defined, these settings are then stored and the thermostatic head functions automatically. The first thing to do is to unscrew the old knob or the old radiator head. Screw the coupling ring to the valve tightly. Remove the battery compartment cover and insert the batteries, checking that they are inserted with the correct polarity, and then replace the battery cover. At this point, you will be prompted to set the time and date. Confirm with OK for each step. The display shows prep and then inst. Engage the TTD101 coupling ring and confirm with OK. The head will then start to adapt to the valve, aligning itself with the pin. At the end of this phase, you can access the menu to change the head's basic settings and define the daily programs. The head allows special settings such as the timer function, which allows you to set a certain temperature and keep it active for a certain defined period. The window function, which automatically closes the head to save energy if a window is opened, causing a sudden temperature drop. The holiday function for when you are away from home for a period, the child lock feature which prevents the settings being accidentally changed, and finally there is special protection against seizing up through frost or limescale. For a fast and easy programming method, you can use the EcoDome USB stick. Having set up the program on the PC, you can then transfer that to the head by plugging the USB connector to the appropriate port. A list of the programs appears on the display. Select the one for the room that you need and press OK, so that the program is transferred then to the head. The thermostatic head is now ready to work with the new program. This video shows how to set up programs for the TTD101 thermostatic heads using the USB programmer. After logging in, the weekly program P01 appears. Then set up the comfort level temperature you desire, the economy level, and any offset that may be required depending on the ambient conditions of the room. Set the start time for the comfort temperature by placing the pointer on the red bar, hold down the Shift key, and move the cursor with the mouse wheel or arrow keys. Double-click to insert an additional comfort period. You can enter up to 4 periods per day. To remove, right-click with the mouse and to undo this additional period. With this method, you can create different programs for each day. By selecting Monday to Friday, you create identical programs for each weekday. and you can set different programs for Saturday and Sunday. From here you can set the child lock, once set, the program should be identified, for example, children's bedroom. Then press save, and this program would then be transferred directly onto the thermostatic head in the child's bedroom when connected through the USB. To create a new program for another room, select P02 and repeat the same process. Through the holiday function, you can set a period during which a fixed temperature, such as 15 degrees, will be maintained. Once defined, all the programs can be checked by clicking Overview. And clicking on Program List, you can view and print the settings for your record. Thank you and enjoy the comfort and energy savings with your TTD101.